I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on your name down here. You just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications here. So then you come to this list, click here on Fastic point report. Just click on it here. Come here to Fastic point report notifications. Just click in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us, that's mean here Fastic point report notifications enable with us now. So in there can you select time for notify here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.